Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Real talk tayo subong guys. We are only human being. We're not perfect. We try our best to avoid trouble, to avoid conversation, to avoid argument, to avoid misunderstanding and misinterpretation. Okay? Chikabong tayo, girls. Happy New Year. Kabay pa, and I wish 2025 is the best, is better year for me and to everybody. Not only for me, okay? For everybody nga naga-dream come true and everybody can wish your goal and happiness and love and happy life, happy memory, happy attitude, happy gratitude and thankful for God. Still, you are here in this earth. We are only temporary here in the earth. You must be thankful and grateful. Correct, guys? We need to avoid feeling to other people nga mag-misunderstanding. Kay every individual, we have different kind of instinct in life. Kung may arabalaan nga gifted ka sa mga amos na mga bagay. And sometimes God make a dream. Sometimes ang dream ta true, sometimes hindi. Pero most of the time when God gave you a gifted, especially where the palm of reading people, and though you have a good charisma, you have a good energy, good intention. Kay kung bad intention ka and negativity ka, people sometimes ma-absorb mo ang negativity of other people. Correct? Kinahanglan sa aton 2025, avoid negativity. Always good energy, good vibes, good intention, and good energy most of the time. Kasi we are only human being. Especially, life is short. Take note in your mind, guys. Hindi lang tayo